Established in 1917, Hammond Power Solutions has become the North American industry leader in dry-type transformer technology and manufacturing. Natural Resources Canada, NRCan, has established new energy efficiency levels for transformers in Canada, effective in 2019. The NRCan change will align the minimum energy efficiency levels of dry-type transformers sold in Canada with the latest regulations prescribed by the U.S. Department of Energy January 1, 2016. HPS offers a complete line of low-voltage dry-type distribution transformers guaranteed to meet the industry's needs under the new DOE 2016 and NRCan 2019 regulations. We also offer DOE 2016 and NRCan 2019 compliant medium-voltage VPI and cast resin transformers, which makes HPS a convenient source for all of your project requirements. By implementing customer feedback from contractors, consulting engineers, and channel partners, HPS has incorporated new pre-installed features into our Sentinel low-voltage DOE 2016 and NRCan 2019 product offering. These new transformers provide standard, pre-installed primary, secondary, neutral, and grounding lugs for the majority of units. The oversized neutral pads allow for multiple neutral connections. Wall mounting brackets are standard on all transformers up to 45 kVA, with optional brackets available for units up to 1,000 pounds. Type 3R enclosures and knockouts are standard. Drip shields are included. The enclosures are assembled using welded nuts and bolts in place of self-tapping screws. These features come standard, eliminating the need to purchase and install additional accessories. Bottom entry provisions provide increased installation flexibility. For increased safety and wiring space, the primary and secondary lugs are located on separate terminal brackets. Outward bending mounting feet significantly improve ease of transformer installation. All taps are labeled on the front coils, safely eliminating the time needed to reference supporting materials for tap identification and selection. Each transformer is tested and certified for the most demanding seismic standards. To better protect your essential applications, all of our Generation 3 Sentinel low-voltage DOE 2016 and NRCan 2019 transformers have an improved 10 kV BIL insulation system. The new HPS DOE 2016 and NRCan 2019 product lines provide customers with increased value and quality, in addition to significant time, money, and energy savings. Whether you select a transformer from our vast line of standard products or a customized solution for your unique application, HPS will give you the power to perform.